Hey, what's going on? My name's Andy and today we're going to be talking about the Insta360 GO Ultra. I've been using this thing for a couple weeks now and I'm ready to give you a full review on what I really think about this. First of all, this thing is lightweight. It's super small at 53 grams. That means you can take it anywhere, mount it anywhere, and get shots where other cameras can't, like my Canon R5 Mark II. Big camera, small camera. The GO Ultra can be placed anywhere, like literally. Look how small it is. Look. Tiny. It's like the size of my watch when it's broken down. This is literally small. The possibility of where you can record, what you can record, how you record is pretty insane. You don't essentially need this for any POV. Because it's a magnetic attachment, you can pretty much mount this anywhere you want. There's a head clip for it. There's a necklace that clips for it. It's also magnetic, so you can clip it on any metal object and record from there. Getting your POV shots is effortless. Record your POV through your eyes. Just let this be on your chest and do what you normally do and have it record so you're not looking at a screen the whole time. Like I said, it can mount on your chest, it can mount on your hat, it can mount on a metal object. You can also get this tripod that has these clips right here, but the bottom has it and it's a magnet, right? You can see the suction right there and it just clips on and now it's stuck. So you can record anything you like. It also comes out. Look at how nice this is. And you know that because it's a magnet, because it's a clip, it's not going anywhere. So you're pretty much set. If you want to release it, there's these two buttons on the side. How easy is it just to mount your Insta360 GO Ultra? Just like that. With a 1/1.28 of an inch sensor, this is the biggest sensor in any small form factor camera like this. That means it can bring in a lot of lights for your night shots. True to life color profile, anti-flickering. Every frame will stay sharp and detailed in the morning and night, anytime throughout the day. One of the hardest things that gets me to shoot on these things is that when you're walking outside and the sun is behind you because you're moving around constantly, your face is now completely dark because of being backlit. The Insta360 GO Ultra has active 4K HDR, meaning it will light you up and the background at the same time. It's an awesome feature and it works so well. That means you don't have to worry about where you're shooting. If the sun's behind you, don't even worry about it. Use this, you'll still be lit. With pure video mode, which is their low light shooting mode, it uses AI noise reduction and dynamic range optimization. Now you have increased brightness and reduces noises. I have to shoot at night sometimes, and with pure video, I can shoot it and not having to worry about it's too dark. 4K, 60 frames per second, video mode. Pretty insane. I mean, that's big. I usually don't shoot that much, but when I do, it's there, especially for running videos. I have this mounted on my chest. It's nice to watch. It's nice to look at. Instead of doing like 24 frames per second, you see all this jittering because there's so much bounce. But at 60 frame, it's nice. One of my favorite things that I've said in every single one of my camera videos or review videos is that I need a flip out screen. Just like this one. Even this tiny camera has a flip out screen. One of my favorite features about this. When I'm recording myself, a flip out screen is so nice to have. I hold the camera just like this and I record myself just like that. And if I want to record for horizontal video, it's so easy. It's just like this. And it's a wide camera, so I don't have to have my hand completely far out. I could, but I don't have to. And it can record everything. The battery lasts forever. And forever, I don't actually mean forever, but I've been using this thing pretty much all day, probably sometimes even 2 days. This little one right here, that's 70 minutes of straight shooting. Most of the time, we're not shooting this for 70 minutes at a time. Maybe just a couple minutes. Maybe the most is like, I don't know, 10 minutes or so. Never recorded this longer than that. Actually, 20 minutes or so. The body with the camera, this is 200 minutes of recording time. Yeah, just pretty much all day shooting. Like, you're not even gonna run out of battery, for sure. Let's say you did, by chance, you just left it on and it was running all day, now the battery's dead. 12 minutes of charging gets you 80% charge. You're never gonna run out. I'm telling you, you're never gonna run out. If you do, man, this camera is meant for you, for sure. Like, you've just been using your camera a lot. One of the things I really enjoy about a small camera like this is that I don't have to just plug this in to get the data off it. There is a micro SD card right there. And I like it because it's nice. It helps me just go ahead and record and then take out the SD card, put a new one in and record some more if I did run out of memory. That way I'm not just relying on the camera with no SD card. So the fact that it has micro SD card is one of the coolest thing about something like this is that it has amazing wind cancellation. So when I'm vlogging outside or I'm going on a run, you're not hearing that sound of the wind just blowing into the camera. It's gone. You just hear my voice. It's so sick. It's so nice to just have that because nobody likes to hear that sound of the wind just blowing and not do that no more. But yeah, nobody wants that. Plus it has a external mic, so if you want to put this super far away, there is an external mic that is super cool. You want to show this because I think it's awesome, but you see this right here? This right here, let me see if I can put this. This is the remote control ring. How crazy is that? Look. Recording. It's recording. What? Look at that ring. What? So when I'm running, you know, I have this on my ring, and then if I want to record, boom, bam. See that red light? It's recording. Wow. This is my favorite camera right now, and I think it's meant for a lot of us. It has a flip up screen for us to just record, a camera that can detach and go underwater, by the way. This part did not go underwater. Do not put this down there, just this. And there's a record button right here if you did try to take this by yourself. It's right there. You see the little right there. So you don't need this part. Just keep that in mind. Don't dump this whole thing in there. You're gonna mess it up. This is my review on the Insta360 GO Ultra. I think it's a great camera, and I'm really curious to what you think about this camera as well. So leave it in the comment below. Let me know. Talk to me. Subscribe if you guys haven't already, because I do talk a lot about cameras like this, camera like my Canon R5 Mark II, and future camera like Sony, Fuji, Nikon, whatever it may be. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you're into cameras. If you're not, I'm curious to why you're on this channel right now. Why are you watching this?